In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a front interior door handle on your Honda Pilot. Let's get started. Using a plastic trim tool, we're going to pull up on the window switch in the back. Then pull it up, and we'll remove our connectors. There's a push button on the bottom side. Push that. Remove the connector. Another one on the bottom here. And one last one at the top. Push buttons right here. Remove the window switch. Behind the window switch, there's going to be one Phillips head screw. There's going to be one more Phillips head screw in the middle of the door. Remove the screw. Using a plastic trim tool, you can come on the top of this cover and pop it out. If you don't have a plastic trim tool, you can just take your fingers and pull down, and the clips will release. These are the two clips, and these two hinge in the bottom here. We're going to go around and pop all the clips for the door card. In this bottom right section, there's a good piece of plastic that you can grab. Grab it and pull straight out, and you'll pop the door clips. Go to the left side now, do the same thing. And you can lift your door straight up and off. We have a few connections before we can totally take the door off. First one will be the door handle rod. This little yellow clip is going to swivel backwards off of the pole, and then the pole will lift straight up, and you're able to get a bit more space on your door. We're going to go around and take off all of the connections. Two push button clips, and then remove the door card. Remove the interior door handle from the door. You're going to push the top down and then pull it out. Remove the two Phillips head screws for the unlock switch. Pull the button out. Install it into the new door handle. Snug down the screws for the switch. Install the handle into the door. We're going to start with the switch and then work this other bottom side in, and then push down until you feel it click in. Install the connector. We're going to pull the harness for the window up and out of the door, and install the connector for the unlock switch. Install the pole into the handle. Install the door card onto the door. We're going to go around the door, popping in all the clips. I like to give it a little pull and make sure they're clipped in. Install the Phillips head screw. Install the screw in the middle of the door. Install the screws for the interior door handle. Install the plastic trim. It'll clip into place. Install the connectors into the window switch. I'm going to drop the front end first, then push the back down, make sure it's clipped in. And in the top right, we're going to put these two hinges in these two spots. And then push the top clips in, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.